Hello everyone, I am Harish. I am today talk about two file operators in C. I have used it here one text file create in file operators used. The file operator will take one information is my own biodatas only, my family biodatas and how declared in the program and how the what is the purpose of file operators. I tell in the video. You have see the program first. As usual, you have declared for as included std.o and next you have see it here std stdlib.h as well. The two declaration is here library header files and integer main and file star fp. The fp purpose is here open to file for writing. You guys see it in the program and printf and the family biodata text. I have created one text type file. The W purpose was a write in file operators. If fp is equal to null and print error opening file. The declaration was the file is already created. This is error opening for file, but also the file always not created. This process is success and return one. And just next for my declarations. I have used it for puts in only one member was one time only, no more time. This is for uh, r- this is for I have typed to easily and no more time. I have used to f puts only one time. I have easily and declaration for very easy and as usual my name, my age, my date of birth, my gender, my blood group. I have always declared. You have see it in the program and also your puts used to only file operators only, no other operators. Most of them is told why you have used only file operators. No, you have used it for array. Array was here elements of homogeneous elements in only one data type. We are use it in array in another program in the particular program and but file operators not in this type. You have declared it in one time any program you have used any data type in file operators only and you have see it my this number and my father details and my mother details, my sibling details, my nephew details and my second sister detail and finally f close and fp semicolon. What is purpose of f close? F close is a file closing in purpose of C in file operators only. No other operators is to file close. And FP was called to in the file of starting stage in header. You have see it the point of view. Uh, and finally print for my biodatas and my family biodatas successfully in biodata text. You have see it the bio output. You have seen my father details and my mother detail, my sister detail, my nephew detail, my next sister details. And what is the purpose of return zero? Why we are use it for return zero? Return zero was I have declared it for integer. So I have declared it for return zero is must. You have declared it for void. You have not declared it in return zero. You have written declared for integer. You have must declare it for return. The integer is a return type. The void is not return type. You have confused C for my flowchart. First start and declare it for header files. And the next stage is header file is a printer. All first the I talk about first point is you have already in the file is declared created is go to state file operators and in the process was failed and next to go to data. You have write any data in your own details and f close. You have the file operators write it. You have in the file operators write it and you have print the message in successfully. You have declared in any type. You have try it in own by data and own declaration. The successfully print the datas and you are take to another type of model in file operators. Yes, you got take to any another type of models successfully for answer you have give it in but you are declared for very clever in your program. So always only the um, program was only successfully. You have not you have correctly declared your program was fail and error and you have see the result. The data was successfully executed. Thank you.